tutorial. This tutorial will be working on the next part of my Java tutorial. So today we'll be doing the switch. We'll also be doing the while. We'll also be doing the for. I'll explain what these are later on in the video once we get into it. So basically, let's start off with switch. So what switch is, it's basically switch. And you see switches like this. And then you can do, So we actually need to do, for switch is we need to do int. And we can make a random variable var. Then we need to set it to 5. And then what we need to do is switch. Then we want to do var, or your condition. So basically it's going to search for number 5. But you can make it a lot less by doing like 3, so you don't have to write a lot more. No, we don't need to do that. What we need to do is we need to do this. Wait, no. We actually need to do this. Then we can create a tabs it. And yeah. Wait, no. I was wrong again. We're actually supposed to do this. And then we do case. And then you can do for example, for last video we did if condition. But for switch in this tutorial, we'll be just doing samples, so we'll do 1. And then we need to do, no, not that, this. And then we hit enter. And then we can write what our case, I'll say system.out.println sub to me. Then we need to put that. And then what we need to do is put break. And then we're going to go. Then we have to go back here. Then we'll do case 2. And then we need to do this colon thing. Then we can go write that. System.out.println my subscriber goal is 1,000 subs. And we can do break. And then we can go back 4. Then we do case 3 colon enter, then system.out.println, and then we can go I'm just gonna do the thing I saw from a Dairy Queen ad. Happy taste is good. Happy taste is good. Then we need to do break, then this. And then we can do a default. Then we can do this. No. And then you say, no, system.out.println. Then we do this. Then we say, it goes from 1 to 3. And then that thing, then we can do, then we don't need to do a break, because that's the end. And if we make sure that that is there, we can actually go delete it and there. So that's how we use the switch. Now we'll do while, so we do while. Wait, actually, let's first make sure that works. So we go up here, run. Happy Taste is good. That should be about correct because this is case 3 and it's going to go to case 3 because var, then it goes down and var is named 3, so it goes case 1, case 2, and case 3. So yeah. So now we can do while. So while, then we can do that. And so while true, well, you basically put your condition in there. So while it's true, which is always going to be true. Actually, no. Let's actually do this. Int. No. Boolean. True or false equals true. I'll actually go change that. So while true or false is true or false, then it's going to run that. So let's actually set this to false. So then it's going to do print, no, keep system dot out dot print when, and then you can print anything like hi there, and yeah. Ignore that, it doesn't really mean anything. True or false, since it's set to false, that won't print. So we can run that and make sure. If we open this up, Happy Taste is good. It doesn't say hi there. And then we can also go, we can set this to true now. Then we can do hi there, and then we hit run. Hi there. Oh, I need to hit stop. That is way too many hi there's. And yeah, we know it works because we can see hi there. Okay, that's actually a lot. So yeah. And now the final one, 4. So we're going to set this to false. Because we don't want it to run while we're doing 4. Wait, we actually need to do int. Then we need to do, so then you need to rename the int to, you can do it to whatever, like 4 times. How many times the 4 will repeat. Actually, we can also name, I'm actually going to name it to loop val, and then we do semicolon. Then we also need to do int last val, and then we need to do equal space, and this is how many times we want to run the program. So I'll do 15 times, then we do semicolon. So then we do 4, then we need to do loop val, equals 0. Then we need to do semicolon. And then you need to do loop, loop val. Then you need to do is less than last val. And then you need to do semicolon. Then you need to do, wait, no, it's not last val. It's last underscore val. And then you need to do loop val, then plus plus. Then you do the brackets again, then enter. And then this will do it 15 to 16 times if you set loop val to 0. So then let's go system.out.println sub to me. And then that should be about it. So we can go test that by hitting run. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not the programming way how we do it. So we actually want to do plus loop val. That's the programming way. No programmers count. So then we can do that. And then we can open it up. So it actually does it 14. No, it does it 15. But since it starts on 0, it counts to 14. So we do 1. Then we can run that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I know why it didn't work. Because loop val is set to 15, so we need to set it to 16 if it starts on 1. So we hit run main.java. Then we open this up. And then 15. So it runs it 15 times, and you can tell it runs 15 times. So if you actually got to do, so last val is actually one more than you want to do. So you can start on 1, or you can just do it the normal way and you don't have to do this. So that's a 4. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, and bye.